back to the adventure, guys, as we break in our new home with a crab boil. Here you see us just putting together some new furniture, because if you go back in our previous videos, we threw away everything to start full-time RVing, and here we are a year later, back to home. Y'all, as I sit here and edit this video with these blue crabs, now I gotta go and get some blue crabs.
Stay tuned.
Look at him. Look at the size. Look at the arms. Oh, yeah. Stay tuned. Thought it was a game.
Yeah. That's what you're getting right there.
Oh, man.
Okay. Hang on. You want to taste?
Huh?
You want to taste?
Yeah, I take
Now, I
it.
understand. My ribs, I don't put sauce on them.
Okay.
This ain't Sonny's barbecue.
Hey, a good rib
I
don't
don't
need sauce.
describe. I don't.
He talking noise.
Oh, yeah.
Come on now.
Oh, yeah.
Come on.
Y'all, here go the ribs. I mean, they look good. I don't need everybody barbecue, you know what I'm saying? But look at them, shoot.
But it's old, them ribs.
Y'all tell me what they look like. I'm trying to see what that mean.
Oh, yeah.
And it got the truck smelling good.
Yeah,
I
Lord.
ain't gonna hold you.
Yeah, Lord.
He ain't gonna say nothing because he think nobody's meat's better than his, so he a
Nobody
little,
meat better than mine.
on edge about it.
Mine falls the bone. Can you pull the bone
Oh,
out?
my
See if
gosh.
you do the bone test.
Ooh.
Mine, you cut with a butter knife.
Look at that.
Can you pull that bone out, though?
What you say? I called him. I done called him. He said, Yeah, he fucking that shit up. He fucking it. Oh, they were hungry.
Yeah.
Then the corn.
What kind you got? Give me that cream. What this is? Strawberry? No. Plastic root beer?
Yep.
Sausage? No matter which one?
Huh?
No matter which one?
Nope.
She ain't no stove.
Yeah, it is.
What is it, a collapsible stove?
Yeah. You put the little pot over it. Or we can do this.
It's a loaf on the street.
A loaf.
Yeah.
Oh.
You got to fight for that shit. One crab pot? Yeah, they fighting.
You sure?
Yeah, see?
Oh, okay.
They got the wiggles.
Oh, put his ass in there. Oh, Bessie.
Propane.
Oh, the good old Betsy, y'all. Tending our business. She got that thing. You ain't gonna run out. Got the crabs. Got the fixins. Got the propane tank from the RV. And that's it. Back to the house.
Y'all mofos have been waiting for.
They ain't been waiting for this, man.
Oh, well, you been waiting for it.
It's me.
Yo.
It's me. It's me.
It's you, it's you. It's you, it's you, it's you.
You paint with.
Guys, remember when opening these boxes, you gotta do it carefully.
Why you sound like you been smoking Newports and Virginia Slims mixed up in tobacco paper?
You need the instructions. Follow the instructions.
Don't you do that. You about to rev it up.
Like father, like son.
Bad influence. Hey. Y'all know what? This brand here is by Camp Chef.
We are not sponsored. But if you want to sponsor the real family, holla at us. Yeah.
Man, you playing.
Well, it's gotta be in this box.
It better be in that motherfucker. For what? Boy, I was scared. I'm about to be mad.
She gonna be mad.
What's wrong with him?
Alright, here go the button, y'all.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna lift it up and all that juice gonna go.
It's gonna go right into the deep pot.
And you know we gotta make the secret sauce for the crabs.
Oh, you already know that hood dip coming up.
And then for the corn,
Yep. We got sausage, corn, potato
we're gonna be eating real good.
in the neighborhood. Y'all see our little nature back here?
And we in the hood.
You said we in the hood?
I said never mind.
This look like the hood to you?
No, so never mind.
Oh, okay.
It's a
Hey,
neighborhood.
son. Be quiet and pop these. Be quiet and pop these. Bye. You want some too? Oh, now you trying to act like you don't pop the bubbles. You be the main one popping the dang bubbles.
Oh,
Yes.
Alright.
paint with water.
So that goes.
I thought I knew what love felt like, turns out I had no clue.
Oh, the crab's gonna be done in no time.
Keep the gas.
What are you talking about?
10 minutes or so?
You say 10 minutes?
10
You
minutes?
gotta let them
10
soak for
minutes.
25.
Shit. Who gotta let it soak for
You know what I'm saying?
25?
If you want the full flavor, you feel me?
Yeah, alright.
We got them seasonings, baby. Yeah. But you want to season the water. You feel me? You want to season the water. Rika.
Look at the onion right here. Got all this stuff clean. What they got? That's what God did.
God did.
Not only we got a house, but we got this nature behind our house. And we got our own personal trail back here. As you can see where we be walking at. We walk right back here. You kind of see tall trees. Nice
God did.
privacy. Yep, God did. He was like, I'm gonna still give y'all some nature. And this is where we ended up. That's light. Don't let him pinch you.
He got some fire in
I
him.
told you, they ain't been in there that long.
Pinch me, cuz.
Now this ain't old crap, man.
Well, that's a good sound. Yeah.
That's a big one now. What does dropper mean, Ray?
You gonna find out before I do.
Spaggy, you ain't gotta do that. You don't know who he was with.
But you do. Oh my God. What's your salsa? Oh. Wow. Why y'all let him act like that?
That's your husband.
That's your daddy. That is your daddy.
Control your man.
That is your daddy. Look at your daddy. Get your daddy.
No.
Get your twin. Twin. Where have you been? Nobody knows you cry like he do.
I'm so sorry. I apologize on his regards. He's off his meds.
Oh wow.
He left him all down the toilet.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, there go his buddy finna take up for it. He saying that wrong. That man, he's fine. She said you flushed your man's down the toilet. She said you flushed your man's down the toilet.
Hey, yeah.
He finna go join him. Oh my God. He ain't no better. Son, don't do what he do. Don't. No.
I'm going there.
No.
Right, that's for the 10 minutes.
Who raised you?
Him. You've been
Oh my
going.
God. Oh my God. Oh my God. no hospital. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness.
I ain't doing that.
Let's see if a dog can get out here.
Yeah, this crab fraud.
The stink.
It's cooked. Yeah, it's cooked. Yeah, it's cooked. The crab's cooked. We wanna be eating a good in the neighborhood.
Yeah.
Bars. Got some bars.
Okay.
We wanna be full.
Yeah.
We might be full tomorrow. We
Yeah.
still got left stores.
Yeah.